Mohammed. I would like to introduce Mr. Mohammed Khan. He's a dedicated social pioneer and faith-based community leader known for his impactful work in mental health and interfaith collaboration. Mohammed, please. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I give everyone the greetings of peace. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا begin in the name of God, the most compassionate, the most merciful. O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, so that you may learn self-restraint. This verse, God is saying He's given us a prescription. If a manufacturer of an automobile tells you use 5 quarts of oil, don't use 10 quarts of oil. God created us, and fasting is a prescription that's going to feed our souls. So when we go home, our souls return pure. Fasting is just one of those processes. You'll have a panel that will go into fasting, but I just wanted to remind us, fasting is not unique to us as Muslims, as God says in the Quran. Fasting was a way of the people of Moses. It was a way of people of David, peace be upon him. Jesus, peace be upon him. So enjoy this interfaith fast, and it's also a great pleasure to have our state treasurer, Fiona. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate you taking the time for your busy schedule, but you're also making a statement as a leader. You're recognizing a community spiritual occasion. Thank you.
Thank you, Bob.